see it afterwards. Okay. 13th chapter, surface areas and values. So in this already we have discussed the cone. Okay, already we have discussed the cone. So how the cone is formed first? Normally you need to know first of all. I'll explain to you once again the briefly I am going to explain to you. Suppose if you are taking a circle into the consideration and this is the center. So what is this part called? It is called as a sector. When you sector two radii is joined, then it is going to form a cone. When the two radii is joined, it is going to form. With the help of that only, see here, you try at home. Practically, when you are trying at home only, then it is useful to you that you are coming to know that. One circle paper, with the help of the paper, one circle on the paper or any cardboard paper. On the paper, paper is circular paper you take, and you cut a sector, little bit lengthy sector, means major sector. Major one you take, this minor one leave it, and you try to join these two. Then you are going to get the conical shape. A simple thing is already you are going to get it in birthday celebration somewhere else. Conical shape of caps you are going to, and cut that one along with it. And what shape you are going to get it? You see that you are going to get a sector. So from the sector only you are going to get the cone. Cone curved surface area. Cone means cone is normally going to have this is going to form with the when a right angle triangle is moved along with the axis of one of the height like this also you can consider. It is moving like this. So when it is moving, it is going to move like this. And this is called as a cone shape you are going to get. This is called height of the cone. This is called slant height, and it is called radius of the base for the cone. Okay. So normally, so the curved surface area of the cone is pi r L. So how do we get the pi r L? Already I have explained in the previous class with the demonstration also. Okay. So curved surface area of the cone is pi r L, and total surface area of the what are the formulas are there? Pi formulas. So let us write here, and we will continue the exercise problems. Okay. So because it is already we have discussed. So curved surface area is pi r L, and main formulas. What are the main formulas here? Slant height. In case of the cone, if you are taking into consider, the first thing is slant height. How do we find out? Slant height L is equals to under root of h square plus r square. Second one is curved surface area of the cone. So that is equals to pi r L. L is slant height. This and total surface area. Total surface area of cone is equals to pi r L plus pi r square. And the fourth one is value. Here I am writing value. The value of cone is equals to value of the cone. How do you get? 1/3 of the value of the cylinder of the same height and same radius. Same height and same radius. One cylinder you take it. Okay. You can do this one also as an experiment. When you are doing experimentally at home, then only you are going to get the knowledge. Okay. Isn't it? So she has did a value of the sphere, I think so. Cylinder, sir. Cylinder sphere. So she did it. Means Kriti hai na? Kriti. Kavita. Sorry. So Kavita, she did value of the cylinder experimentally and made video. So she will remember long time. So when you are doing experimentally, whatever the work is there, that then you will remember. Cone also like that. Also you take one cone approximately. Okay, same cone shape. Suppose one cap is there, birthday cap is there. It is available mostly everywhere. Okay, whenever you go to the birthday also, when they give you the birthday cap, you can take it instead of buying also. Just I am saying it and bring it. But with the same radius, you make a one cylinder with the paper or something else. Paper से थोड़ा सा attach करके एक cylinder बना. वो cylinder को नीचे रखते हो. Paper नहीं. और cardboard थोड़ा सा thick paper. And cone same height, same radius होना है. वो कोन उसमें फिक्स होना है और उस कोन में something you can take the popcorn or something else, fill up with the popcorn or fill up with the whatever available. Popcorn बोले तो actually some gaps होता है, sand is better, some liquid is better actually, but liquid वो paper में नहीं रुकेगा, so sand ले लो और whatever it may be, और चावल ले लो, घर में चावल available होता है, check करने के लिए ना. This is the things you can do experimentally at home. So वो कोन में डाल दो चावल और वो को सिलेंडर में डाल दो, एक दो तीन बार डालने के बाद ऑटोमेटिकली इट फिल हो जाएगा. सो दैट इज नथिंग बट तीन टाइम ऑफ द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कोन विल बी इक्वल टू द वन टाइम वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सिलेंडर. Will you do this experiment at home today? Do it. Everyone, you try it. You feel that when you are doing that, and you do it and make a video. You do it and make a video and send it to me. So that when you are making a video, you do a little bit alert things. So do it like that. Something interestingly when you are doing that, then you are going to get this knowledge very and that can remember forever. आप भूल नहीं जाएंगे, confuse नहीं हो जाएंगे. So that is the thing. So 1/3 of the value of the cylinder. So that is, these are the 4 formulas we are going to use mainly to solve the problems of the cone. Okay. So the exercise number 30.3 completely based on this only you are going to have. So 8 questions are there, simple questions only. The first question is diameter of the base of the cone is given to you as a 10.5 centimeters and slant height already it is given and asking you to find out the curved surface area. You can find out now. Pi r l directly. R is given to you, but R is directly not given. Diameter is given to you. Just a simple calculation. Where it is different, more calculations are there. That problems I will explain to you. Second question you see. Find the total surface area of the cone. Radius to be taken. Radius 12 आ जाएगा. And slant height is given to you. तो हमको h से मतलब नहीं है. h find out करने का जरूरत भी नहीं है इसमें. So directly pi rl plus pi r square total surface area you need to find out. Okay, pi rl plus pi r square. So third question is given to you. Curved surface area of the cone is already given 308 centimeters square and slant height is given to you. Find the radius of the base. Pi rl is equals to given to you. So this problem I will explain to you if you want. So what is given here? Given curved surface area and slant height. First slant height you write along with me. Slant height L is equals to what is given to you? 14 centimeters is given to you, and also given curved surface area of cone, which is equals to 308 centimeters square. So this is equals to pi r is equals to 308, and pi value is 22/7, and radius r is equals to L is equals to 14 and 308. 7 by 7 2 40. 11 ones are 11 2s are 11 2s are 22 8. So this is 2 ones are 2 14s are. Here 2 ones are 2 7. So radius r is equals to 7 centimeters. Pilot radius is asking you to find out, and the second question is asking you to find out total surface area of the cone. So total curved surface area already given. So area of the base you need to find out. डायरेक्टली फॉर्मूला में सब्स्टिट्यूट करने से बेटर थिंग इज दैट सिर्फ एरिया ऑफ द सर्किल नीचे क्या है वो उसको फाइंड आउट करो और वो एंड ये ऐड करो देन ऑटोमेटिकली. सो सेकंड वन एरिया ऑफ द बेस ऑफ कोन, एरिया ऑफ द बेस ऑफ कोन. So that is equals to pi r square. So pi is equals to 22/7, radius is 7 and 7 7. So which is equals to 154 centimeters square. 22 into 7, 7 to the 14, 154 centimeters. Okay. So now what you get here from this? Therefore, total surface area is equals to curved surface area plus area of the base. Area of the base. So curved surface area is what here? Already 308 is given to you, and area of the base is given 154. So which is equals to 8 plus 4 to 164 462 centimeters square. That's all. हो गया ना? वेरी गुड.
Yes.
हो गया? Next question. Read the next question. Try to read it yourself. So what is given here in the fourth question? A conical tent is 10 meters height. 10 meters height is nothing but here h. So what is given here that you consider here. So in this given that height h is equals to 10 meters. 10 meters height h is given here. And radius of the base is here. Some questions are given to you radius diameter as a 24, and some questions radius is 24. To make you confused, these questions will be given. So be careful. The diameter is given means half करके radius लेना है. ये बहुत ज़्यादा confuse होने वाला चीज़ें हैं. So radius is equals to directly is given 24 centimeters. Radius is equals to 24 centimeters is given here, and asking you to find out the slant height and the cast of. Oh sorry, 24 meters. 24 meters है. And ask you to find out cast of the canvas required to make the tent if the cast of the 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. So cast of the canvas means covered surface area only you need to find it. So in this what you have to do first thing is that you need to find out slant height. Covered surface area के लिए हमको slant height चाहिए. In case question में slant height पूछ लिया. If it is not asking also you need to find the slant height. Because covered surface area find out करना है. Directly question में आपको cast of the canvas is asking to you. Suppose cast of the canvas only asking to you, then you can find out that cast of the canvas के लिए curved surface area is needed to us. So curved surface area के लिए then we need to take the L pi r l में L चाहिए हमको. So L find out करना है. So slant height L is equals to under root of h square plus r square. So under root of h square plus 24 square, which is equals to 10, 24, 26. 10, 24, 26 are the Pythagorean triplet. 10, 24, Pythagorean triplets भी याद रखना है. थोड़ा सा आप लोग मैथमेटिक्स स्टूडेंट्स थे. मैं already I told you previously. You can calculate it, but whenever you see that in the mind, you need to get it. This is equals to 676. You get it. This is equals to 10, 24, 26 are the Pythagorean triplets. So 26 meters is the slant height you are going to get. The next second question is curved surface area of the conical tent. That is a tent actually. So which is equals to pi r, and pi value is 22/7, and the radius is equals to 24, and slant height is.
Sir, एक बात से पोस्ट
What?
ये तो इधर ना छोड़ने के बाद पोस्ट.
हाँ, better you leave it as it is, because cost of the 1 meter square is 70 rupees दे दिया है. वो 70 में 7 है, ये नीचे 7 है, तो 7 cancel होगा. So that's why you keep it like this. Now here the question is asking cost of the canvas at the rate of 1 meter square is rupees 70 is equals to 70 से multiply करना है. 22/7 into 24 into 26 into 70. So 7 1 to 7. ये सारा multiply करके final answer वो इसमें लिख रहे हैं. What did you get? 137280 rupees. Not meter square. In a calculation, some students will write this as a meter square. ये cast है. इधर meter squares. Units are very essential बेटा. आप लोग units compulsory अच्छे से लिखना है. Okay? Okay, next. Fifth question see, ये थोड़ा सा different है. The question is given to that what is the length of the tarpaulin 3 meters wide will be required. Already we solved this problem in cylinder also, same model. I have explained you, not given the solution. Now this problem I give the solution. Don't worry. Okay. So what is the length of the tarpaulin of the 3 meters wide? Means actually tarpaulin that is a one cloth you can consider here in the one. So that is in the shape of the rectangular shape में. So इसका wide area है 3 meters. And what is the length is required? So length into breadth is equals to area. We know that one. So area is breadth is given to you. So here required to make the conical tent of the height 8 meters. So what is given to you? H is equals to height is 8 meters and base radius is equals to 6 meters. Height is equals to given 8 centimeters and base radius is equal to 8 meters है ना? 8 meters and base radius is equals to 6 meters. So now we need to find out here obviously length find out करना है, slant height find out करना है. So slant height L is equals to slant height L is equals to under root of h square plus r square, which is equals to under root of 8 square plus 6 square. 6 8 10 are Pythagorean templates. 10 आएगा. करना है फिर तो छोड़ सकते हैं. 64 plus 36 which is equals to under root of 100 which is equals to 10 meters. Slant height. So curved surface area. Curved surface area of the conical tent is equals to pi r l, and here pi is given to you to take 3.14. 3.14 into radius is equals to 6 into 10 and 10 meters is the. So now which is equals to 10 से multiply कर रहे हो 6 से multiply करो. What is it here? 3.14 into 6. 6 4 is 24, 6 1 is 68, 18. 18 है ना? 18.84. So we are going to get it as a. Otherwise you can keep it like this better. One small thing, because इससे हम लोग क्या करना है? We have to you keep it like this only. Afterwards you can do the simplification. So because हमको ये curved surface area इससे 3 से divide करना है. Length कितना चाहिए तो? And extra length of the will be required is 20 meters is given for stitching. So 20 last में add करना है. So here length required is given, length of the tarpaulin. It is length is asking to you to find out. So length of the tarpaulin required is equals to curved surface area of cone divided by width plus 20, because 20 extra is needed for making the 20 centimeters. So this is in meters. This is in meters and this is in centimeters. So 0.2 you have to take into consider. Okay, first here what is curved surface area? 3.14 into 6 into 10 by 3 plus this is meters में convert करना है. So 20 meters को meters में convert कर लिया तो 0.2 meters you are going to get 0.2. So why I have not multiplied means it is an easy task for you to multiply with the 2. So 6.28. 6.28 means 62.8. So 62. Sorry. This is equals to 62.8 plus 0.2. So which is equals to 63 meters of the length. Meter square नहीं है. This is length. सीधी समझ में आया? हाँ? Any confusion? ये वाला. So actually first it is given the base radius and the height is given to you. Slant height find out करना है. Slant height formula क्या है? H square plus R square. So h square plus r square is equals to 8 square. H is 8. Substitute it and 64 plus 36. ये दोनों का ऐड करके 100 आएगा. Under root of 100 value 10. Slant height. Curved surface है. Actually problem को समझ लो थोड़ा सा. First. So this is a one. ये tarpaulin cloth. It is given that इससे हम लोग cone बनाना है. You need to make it as a cone further. So something cut हो जाएगा. तो ये waste वाला 20 meters का waste हो गया, समझ लो. 20 meters, 20 centimeters हुआ. 20 centimeters में थोड़ा सा है. वो वेस्ट हो गया एंड विड्थ इज गिवन टू यू कंप्लीट विड्थ दैट इज विड्थ इज गिवन टू यू 3 meters and asking you to find out the length. So curved surface area is needed to us to find out. So curved surface area of the plate is equals to pi r. So 3.14 into 6 into pi r substitute. Simplify नहीं किया. क्यों? भाई बिकॉज पहले तो मैं मल्टीप्लाई करने के लिए ट्राई करते हैं उधर कंफ्यूज हो गया होगा. बिकॉज ये इसको कंपलसरी यू हैव टू डिवाइड बाय द 3 कर दिया तो वो एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट छोड़ के the remaining part of the length you are going to get it. So we need extra length 20 centimeters needed for stitching the and margins के लिए जरूरत पड़ता है वो, isn't it? So that's why 20 centimeters is added by dividing this complete curved surface area by the, because this is length, this is area of the that rectangular shape of the plate. तो area by width कर लिया तो हमको लेंथ आ जाएगा ना. एरिया ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल क्या है? लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ. तो ये पूरा एरिया को विड्थ से डिवाइड करो लेंथ आ जाएगा और वो एक्स्ट्रा लेंथ इज 20 सेंटीमीटर. वो 20 सेंटीमीटर इधर लेंगे तो वो दोनों सिंपलीफाई करेंगे. 3 1 2 3 2 3 ये 3.14 into 2 is 62 point into 10 कर लिया तो 62.8 आएगा. Actually if you do multiply 6.28 you are going to get into 10 means 62.8 and 0.2 60. Okay, so right. Sixth problem देखो. What is given to you here? The slant height and base diameter of the conical top are 25 meters and 14 centimeters. So slant height L is given to you, diameter is given to you. So radius will be equal to 7 meters. Okay, find the cost of the whitewashing the curved surface area at the rate of 210 per 100 meters square. Curved surface area आने के बाद पूरा 100 को इससे 100 से डिवाइड करना है और 210 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सिंपल. ये ऑलरेडी वी हैव सॉल्व्ड इन द प्रीवियस एक्सरसाइजेस आल्सो. कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया आने के बाद पर 100 मीटर स्क्वायर के लिए 210 रुपीस. दैट इज नथिंग बट टोटल कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया से को 100 से डिवाइड करो एंड 210 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. टोटल कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया फाइंड आउट करने के बाद आई थिंक यू कैन डू दिस प्रॉब्लम. ओके, 7th and 8th problems I will explain to you. So 7th one is also very simple here. तो यही बोलो 6th पर कर सकते हैं ना. Seventh one देखो. A joker's cap is in the form of the right circular cone of the base radius is 7 centimeters. So it is given to you in this problem. Base radius r is equals to 7 centimeters. Okay, and the height is 24 centimeters. What are the Pythagorean triplets? 7 24. Pythagorean triplets क्या है? 7 24 के साथ 25 आएगा. All the Pythagorean triplets should keep in your mind mostly. हमको ज्यादा रिपीट होने वाला Pythagorean triplets क्या होता है? Pythagorean triplets बोले तो right angle triangle होता है ना. In a right angle triangle, 2 sides and hypotenuse.
So कौन से
मैक्सिमम रिपीट होने वाला मैं अभी बोल रहा हूँ. Here 3 4 5 मैक्सिमम रिपीट होने वाला है. ये वाला 3 4 5 and 6 8 10. इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो यही आ जाएगा. नेक्स्ट 5 12 13. 5 12 13 भी आ जाएगा मोस्टली. आप 5 स्क्वायर करो 12 स्क्वायर करो दोनों का ऐड करो 13 आएगा. ये पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट है. एक्चुअली ये दोनों इंटरलिंक्ड हैं बट ज्यादा रिपीट होता है बिकॉज़ ये सारा को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो ये आएगा. ये अलग है कंप्लीटली 5 12 13. इन द सेम वेज ये यू आर गोइंग टू गेट 10 24 26 पहला आएगा. इसको 2 मल्टीप्लाई करो, ये दोनों सेम है. Everything you multiply by the 2, you are going to get it. And the next one is 7, 24, 25. ये 7, 24, 25. 25 आ जाएगा. स्लैंट हाइट देखो, स्लैंट हाइट फाइंड आउट करते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली 25 आएगा. तो मैक्सिमम रिपीट होने वाला है ये पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट्स है. आपको 27, 24 देख लिया, 25 पक्का आएगा. वो हाइपोटेनस होगा 25. So you can remember because repeatedly, but you need to solve it. आपको आंसर क्या है पता होना है. You can solve it. So yes, perform करने के लिए याद रखना है थोड़ा सा. So sometimes in competitive exams होता है ना, उधर बहुत ज्यादा यूज हो जाता है. Fast calculation के वो 724 देगा, L is equal to 25 directly there you can write. हाँ MCQ में, competitive exams में, Olympiad exams में कभी-कभी यूज हो जाता है. Okay? So now here in this case, slant height is to under root of h square plus r square, which is equals to under root of height is 24. 24 square plus 7 square, which is equals to 24 square क्या है? 576. 576 plus 49, which is equals to 625, which is equals to 25. इतना फास्ट कैसे कर रहे हो? तो I'm not doing anything. Already well known, repeated है ये numbers. 24 का square भी याद रहना है. 576 and 26 का square 676 आएगा. दोनों का 100 difference होगा. Easy to remember. And 25 square is 625. This one also. थोड़ा सा 23 है वो याद नहीं रहेगा because वो भी repeatedly नहीं आएगा. ज़्यादा repeated होने वाला numbers यही है, वो याद रखना है. So the calculations becomes easy and time not consumed nahi hoga. And here it is given that find the area of the sheet required to make the 10 such caps. ऐसा वाला 10 चाहिए. So into 10 करना है. First curved surface area of 10 cones directly लिखो, कोई problem नहीं. 10 cones is equals to 10 into 5. So 10 into here pi value is given to you to take any no 22 by 7. So 22 by 7. And the radius is given to 7 and the slant height is 25. 25 to 22. Rough करेगा? Sir, don't do the rough. 25 to 20 into के लिए आप rough कर रहे हैं. 25 to 20 करो. हर चीज के लिए rough नहीं करना बेटा. 25 to 20 करो. 25 to 2 क्या है? 25 का डबल 50. 25 to 20 बोलो तो 500 और एक्स्ट्रा 2 चाहिए 550 है ना. एक्स्ट्रा 2 बोले तो 2 times 25 मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ये 20 को मैं स्प्लिट कर रहा हूँ ऐसा 20 and 2. 25 into 20 500, 25 into 2 50, so 550. हर चीज के लिए रफ यूज नहीं करना. थोड़ा हमारा दिमाग है, you can use, you have to use it. अदरवाइज ये डेवलप नहीं होगा. एक्सरसाइज हम बॉडी को देना है द सेम वे माइंड को एक्सरसाइज देना है. हर चीज के लिए इजी वे चूज नहीं करना है. यू हैव द माइंड, यू कैन डू इट, बट आपको रास्ता पता नहीं है. दैट आई एम शोइंग टू यू. समझ में आ रहा है? ये 22 को मैं क्या कर लिया, स्प्लिट कर लिया. सी हियर नाउअडेज मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो व्हेन दे गो टू द मार्केट आर शॉप समवेयर. ओल्डन डेज में तो होता है नॉर्मली. अभी तो मार्केट सुपरमार्केट हो गया. टेकन कंप्यूटर में वो बिल बनाएगा, बिल दे देगा, कितना आया उतना दे देंगे. बट एवरीवेयर you go out or whenever you go to the bank, there you need to find the mathematics. आपका मैथ्स फाइंड आउट करना है. अरे ये बिल में किधर आया है, जीएसटी लिख रहे हैं, सीएसटी लिख रहे हैं. कभी देखा है आप विशाल मार्ट में गया होगा, सबका बाजार में गया होगा, उसमें लिखता है व्हाट इज दैट वन, हाउ परसेंटेज इज गिवन. व्हेन you have to check it. So in your daily life, whatever the mathematics is there, that you have to do it, so that only you develop the mathematical skills. Okay, so okay, we are 10 into 550, so which is equals to rupees 5,500. 5,500 rupees you are going to get it. So cast this one. Oh sorry, not rupees. What is this one? What is the area he is asking? 10 caps का area है. So it is 5,500 centimeters square. Cast of the 10 caps not here. This Okay, how much area of the sheet is required, sheet कितना चाहिए और वो पूछ रहे हैं. Okay, next 8th question, I think so you can do it, but I'll explain it, don't worry. Still only 5 minutes it takes, not more than that. Eighth one. So question is given that a bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using the 50 halo poles.
L square निकाल.
I think I have explained this exercise.
हाँ ये हो चुका
कर दिया सर.
आपने सिर्फ आपने सिर्फ फोल्ड तक कराया, बाकी सारा एक्सप्लेन बता दिया.
Orally बता.
आपने किसी का भी समझाया था.
हाँ orally बताया. Solutions नहीं. So by that you say okay. No one is saying okay. देख ये क्वेश्चन बोलने को मुझे याद आ रहा है, ये तो एक्सप्लेन किया है. Okay.
13.3 सर अच्छे से रीजन.
So okay, no problem. 2 times हो गया. Okay. तो बस स्टॉप इज बैरिकेडेड बिकॉज़ ये बस स्टॉप वाला क्वेश्चन सुनने के बाद मुझे याद आ रहा है, उधर कोड्स होता है, बोला है ना. ओके ओके, दैट्स इट. सो हियर इट इज गिवन टू यू दैट रेडियस इज इक्वल्स टू 50 halo points are there and diameter of the 40 centimeters and height is 1 meter is given to you. So you need to convert this one here. R is equals to 40 by 2 is equals to 20 centimeters. This can be written as 0.2 meters. And height h is equals to 1 meter is given to you. Height h is equals to 1 meter is given to you. And pi value it is given to you already to take the 3.14. And under root of 1.04 value is 1.02 is given to you to take. So here slack height is equals to slack height L is equals to under root of h square plus r square, which is equals to h is equals to 1 plus 0.2 whole square, which is equals to 1 plus 0.2 whole square is 0.04. Which is equals to 1.04. This 1.04 value already is given to 1.02 meters. Slant height. And what is given to you to find out here? Here it is given to you to find out the curved surface area of the 50 cones, and here cast also. Cast of is to 12 cones. So first you find out the curved surface area of the 50 cones. Okay? Curved surface area of 50 cones is equals to 50 into pi RL, and 50 into pi value 3.14, and the radius is 0.2 and slant height is 1.0.
So last one.
So here last में 12 के साथ लॉगिंग करना. Here also you can simplify. 50 into 0.2 क्या होगा? 50 into 0, ये भी simplify कर दिया. 50 into 0.2 will become 10. So ये 10 होगा. 10 हो गया तो this one 10 multiply करेंगे 31.4 into 1.02 meters square. So for the cost 1 meter square cost is rupees 12. Given cost of 1 meter square is equals to rupees 12. So therefore total cost is equals to 12 into 3.14 into 1.02. This is 1 rupees. ये multiply करना है. Sorry, 31.4. ये multiply करना है. Just you multiply this one and whatever the answer you get, that many rupees. Approximately some rupees. आ गया? कर रही है? Very good. 384.34 rupees. Approximately you are going to get it because decimals here 1 decimal, here 2 decimals, 3 decimals होगा. But 2 decimals only here we are taking because rupees and paise है ना. Huh? So that's why you are going to take this one. Okay? आप लोग